Hello everyone. Welcome to Hayat. We are back with our beautiful sari collection, sari sale collection. Today we'll be showcasing you some amazingly beautiful saris which are in sale. So before I begin, let me tell we don't have COD, Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank transfer, Paytm, online payment options are available. Shipping is 80. In one ship you can grab up to 3 saris. So all these saris are hand-picked saris which are in sale at a very good price range. So let's start with the first article. This is the first article. This is a beautiful peacock green color. I think in the video it seems a little dull, but in real this is more darker. It's a beautiful pure georgette with solid zari border sari. It's in pure georgette fabric. Coming to the blouse, it will be tone to tone blouse. It will be a running blouse, and this goes the pallu for this. This is the pallu. This is the first color. This is in real, this is a rama green color. So in video it is looking a little lighter, little dull, but in real this is more beautiful. So this was for 999. Today this is for 850. So 850 you can grab this. It's a beautiful pure georgette sari. Another color in this is this beautiful mustard. We have a lovely mustard color. This is the second color. You can see this goes the pallu for this. It's a zari pallu. It's a simple plain sari. Price will be 850, and the blouse piece will be tone to tone. Running blouse piece. It's a very lovely, very subtle, simple sari, very easy to drape and easy to carry. Today in sale this is for 850. Next, so this goes the third color in the georgette one. This is in pure georgette. Coming to the pallu, this goes the pallu. This will be the pallu. You can see how pretty this is. This is a third color. It's a lovely parrot green shade. It's a very pretty shade. This is a third color, only for 850 for today. This was for 999. These saris were for 999. Already we keep a very nominal margin and sell all our articles, let it be the suits or saris. In that you're getting an extra discount, which is again a steal deal. This is a very pretty shade. It's a bright green color, only for 850. This goes the zari border. This goes a beautiful bandage sari in a very lovely cement grey color. This is in semi crepe sari. It's a very pretty zari border detailing ke saath. It's a beautiful concept in chundri print. Very lovely article. This goes the pallu, and this will be the blouse piece. This was for 1250. For sale today it is for 850. This is the last single color available. We have multiple colors in this. This is going to be the single color which is left out, only for 850 for today. So guys, this is our beautiful kota sari, kota fabric in a lovely black color. Again we had multiple shade color palette in this. Now we are left with single black. It's a jet black, very gorgeous piece with lovely zari border detailing. This goes the batik pallu, which is quite appealing. It's a beautiful gorgeous black color in kota fabric. This goes the blouse piece for this. This goes the blouse piece. This was for 1199. Again this is in sale for 850. For 850 you will grab this very beautiful kota fabric sari, only for 850 in black color. So guys, next is this very beautiful soft silk sari. Look at the color, how beautiful the color is, with temple border detailing. Very beautiful in soft silk. Coming towards the pallu, this shows the pallu for this. This will be the pallu. You can see how beautiful the pallu goes, and this goes the blouse piece. This will be the blouse piece. This is in soft silk. This was for 1500, 1499. In sale today it is for 1100. Very soft silk sari, very beautiful in soft silk with a beautiful zari concept in with temple border. Very pretty article. It's a light pastel mint color. It's a very lovely color, only for 1100. So next is this beautiful crepe sari. This is a very premium, very pretty crepe sari in self weaved form. If you can see, this has a texture in the sari itself, and then goes this beautiful zari border. This goes the zari border. It's a very lovely article, and coming towards the pallu, this has this very lovely pallu. This is an exclusive article. We are left at only 2 shades now. This was for 1650. In sale, it is for 1250 for today. 1250. Coming towards the pallu for this will be the pallu. This goes the pallu. I mean, sorry, the blouse. I'm sorry. This is the blouse, and this goes the pallu. This goes the pallu for this. This is in premium, superior quality crepe. This was for 1650. Today, this is only for 1250, 1250. We have another shade in this. That's this beautiful mustard color. So we have 2 lovely shades. One is this mustard, and one is this green. So whichever you want, you can place your order for the one you are looking for. The mustard is also in sale today, only for 1250, 1250. Just look, this has a very nice glaze in itself. It has a very nice shine. If you can see, the quality of the fabric is very superior, very pretty. Okay, this is for 1250. We have 2 beautiful shades. One is in mustard and one is in a lovely green color. So next is this very beautiful semi Mysore silk crepe sari. This is in semi Mysore silk crepe. You can see the color combination. It is so pretty. This is in semi crepe, very high quality fabric. So the pure crepe, Mysore silk crepe, is quite expensive. They come for around 12,000, 7,000, 6,000 is the starting range for that. But these are the next quality of the premium. It's a very superior quality. It's a beautiful semi crepe Mysore silk sari. This goes the pallu for this. It's a beautiful blue with pink contrast. This was for 1650, and we have a last color left in this, which is in sale today. This is only for 1250. This was for 1650. Today in sale, this is for 1250. Coming towards the pallu, you can see, with contrast blouse, contrast border, contrast pallu and contrast blouse. It's a beautiful color, only for 1250 today. So here we are with our pure cotton range. This is our pure cotton sari with multi-tone border. I mean, sorry, pallu, multi-tone pallu. It's in pure cotton with katha work. If you see, the sari, full sari goes with this thread katha work with beautiful zari border. It is very sophisticated design, very light to carry. This is only for, this was for 850. For sale, this is for today, this is in sale just for 599. 599. Very smart article. You can see teachers, school teachers, ladies who opt wearing saris on daily basis. This is a very good option because this is very easy to drape and very easy to carry as well. This goes the multi-tone pallu with this, and running blouse tone to tone. This is for 599 for today. So this is one of my favorite sarees. This is a very pretty semi Mysore silk crepe in checkered pattern. One of my favorite article, which is very classic. This is a very classic saree. You can see this goes the zari detailing in checkered pattern. What a pretty article. Just look at this. This is again a premium article in semi Mysore silk crepe sarees. Very beautiful. Coming towards the pallu, this goes the pallu for this. This is the pallu, and this goes the blouse piece in checkered pattern. It's a very sophisticated, very simple yet very classy articles. People who wear such articles will know the grace of this article, these are quite expensive outside, and even the semi ones, they are quite expensive outside. For today's sale, this was for 1350. In sale today, this is for 999 only. 999 semi Mysore silk crepe saree in checkered pattern. So next is this beautiful Dhupchau pattern in soft silk. This is again our superior quality article. This was for 1250. It's a very lovely article. You can see how gorgeous this already looks. This is in soft silk in Dhupchau pattern. What is Dhupchau is, which you have the dual shade. The hue of the saree looks in two tone. The border, you can see it's quite rich broad border, and the pallu for this is very beautiful. It's a very rich saree for any of your temple visits, for weddings, for opening ceremonies. You can wear them. They look very classy, very traditional. This goes the blouse, tone to tone blouse, running blouse. This was for 1250. For in sale today, this is for 950. 950 only. This is a very pretty blue color. This is the second color in our Dhupchau pattern. It's a lovely rose red color, rose pink color with golden hue. It's a beautiful color. You can see how lovely it already looks. I haven't draped and I can feel that this looks really pretty. It's a beautiful concept with quite broad border and lovely pallu. And this goes the blouse piece. This will be the blouse piece for this. This is very superior quality at very affordable price. This is the second color in the Dhupchau pattern. Again, this is for 950. This was for 1250. In sale, 950 will be the price. So next is this beautiful pure chiffon saree in Gharcholi pattern. This is again a very pretty article, which was quite expensive, and today in sale you are getting at a very good deal. It's a beautiful article. These sarees anywhere in any other showrooms will easily cost you around 2.5 to 3,000. These are in pure chiffon with Gharcholi print, and you get to see this beautiful zari border. Coming towards the pallu, this goes the lovely pallu for this. It's a very light saree, very easy to carry. It's a very light saree on your again daily basis. Yeah, even you can I would suggest you can easily carry these on any functions, any parties. It has a very grace in itself. It's a beautiful saree. And coming towards the blouse piece, this goes the blouse piece for this. So this was for 1350. In sale today, this is for 999. Only for 999 in sale today. This beautiful pure chiffon Gharcholi saree. We have certain colors in this. The second color is this beautiful pink, which is again very pretty, very beautiful pink color. This goes the pink color. And the third color will be this very lovely orange. So pink, if you want, you can take a screenshot. This also is very lovely, and something like a lot of Rajasthan, coming to the Marwadis wear such sarees a lot, and they look so beautiful, so graceful. See how pretty that looks already. I haven't draped and I am already feeling certain sarees are, you need, even if you don't drape it, they just, you put it on yourself and you see how pretty they look already. So you imagine yourself when you drape them, how pretty they are going to look. And this goes the third color in this. It's a very beautiful orange. This goes the third color. In sale today for 999. Pure chiffon Gharcholi printed sarees, amazingly beautiful. So we have three lovely shades. All the three shades are super pretty. So next is a beautiful, very gorgeous, pure georgette zari border with all over zari pattern saree. You can see how beautiful and grand royal this looks. It's a beautiful pink and green. Again, pink and green is always a festive color. It's a very beautiful festive color. Look at the zari detailing that's going around the sari. It is very pretty. The color is super pretty color. It's a fuchsia pink with a lovely green combination. Coming towards the pallu, a very rich, very grand pallu, very royal pallu. You see this, and towards the blouse piece, uh, the blouse for this will be this goes the blouse piece for this, and this will be the blouse for this is very rich, very royal, amazingly pretty, and this was for 1850 in sale at a very good deal, 1499. This is in pure georgette. This is not semi georgette. This is in pure georgette. A very amazingly beautiful saree, only for 1499 for today. So next, this is a last saree in our sale, which is beautiful semi crepe with all batik print and very lovely zari border detailing. It's a beautiful semi crepe in batik collection. Very pretty article, very beautiful. All over the saree you can see this very beautiful batik print running over. And coming towards the blouse piece, this goes the very pretty blouse for this, and the price for this was 1150. For sale today this is only for 850. This is in semi crepe, again very easy to carry. I always make sure when I'm picking the sarees they are easy to carry. First of all, they are hand picked, they are very easy to carry, because when you're wearing something, when you the saree is easy to drape and easy to carry, you get that confidence in yourself. So I always make sure every saree that I pick for you guys is, you know, they are easy to carry, they're very light, easy, you know, they're not something slippery. It's a very pretty saree, again a very nominal price, 850 only. So now coming with the saree that the one I'm wearing is a beautiful pure Chanderi saree. This is in pure Chanderi silk saree with hand block ajrak print. The colors used in the saree are all natural. This is a very exclusive hand picked saree again, which is in pure fabric with proper hand block printing. So these are hand blocked ajrak hand block printing. These are again exclusive sarees, very light to wear. The border, I mean the pallu, you can see this is a beautiful ajrak pallu in a multi-tone 3D print. It's a very lovely ajrak print. This is the first color. It's a lovely mustard color. I have set of colors in this. I have beautiful, lovely options for you guys. Very lovely options in pure Chanderi, and we have couple of them coming more. You can see all the lovely colors. All the colors that come in this ajrak print, they are quite bright, and you know they're very attractive colors, and this ajrak printing itself looks very attractive. Ajrak print is beautiful, so you can see how beautiful it looks when you drape them. The second color in this is the first color. This is a lovely mustard color, and let me repeat, these are pure Chanderi silk. Okay, these will anywhere you know, in any other outlets or any showrooms, these will easily cost you 4.5 to 5,000 anywhere else. We, since we are getting it on you know, our profit margins are less, we give it at a very good prices. So this will cost you only for 2499. Something you're getting in pure fabric at such a good range is a very good deal. This is the second color. It's a beautiful black with red and navy blue combination. This has black, red and mustard combination. This one has black, red and navy blue combination. It's a very pretty one. I'll show you the piece. Very graceful sarees. They look so rich when you wear them. Very sophisticated look. This goes the second color. It's a lovely black color. Again repeating it, these are pure chanderi. These are not semi chanderis, these are not blended chanderi. This is in pure fabric. This goes the pallu for this. And you can see this is all hand block ajrak prints. Even the materials, dress materials and cottons what you get, especially the hand block prints, are easily costing you around 1,800 to 1,900 in cottons. This is in pure chanderi. Okay, this goes the pallu for this. This is the second color in this. Coming for the third color, the third color is a quite attractive color. So the next color goes this beautiful, just look at that color, guys. Isn't this simply royal? Very, very pretty. Again, pure chanderi ajrak printed. I'm so obsessed with these colors, and these colors in chanderi fabric, they look so beautiful, so attractive. You know, every color that comes in ajrak with chanderi, ajrak with modal, they look so attractive. You can see how lovely the color itself is. I'll show you how it looks when you drape it. A very pretty color. It's a beautiful, again I love the pallus in these. They are so attractive colors used. The pallus are simply very beautiful. I'll show you. This is our third color, third option. We have a lot of options in store. If anybody watching from Bangalore can visit our store. In store we have a lot more collection in chanderi sarees. In one video it's not possible for us to show all the saree collection. So anybody who's watching from Bangalore can visit the outlet. Look at that, already so gorgeous, so lovingly beautiful. Just look at the pallu also. That's so attractive pallu. So very attractive. And when you're watching my video, especially for this, I would request you increase your resolution, because the detailing of this ajrak should be seen in high resolution. Then you will know the look of the saree. You know, this is how this is going to look. How pretty this is. The color is simply very beautiful. 2499. A very lovely. This is a third option. Coming towards the blouse piece for this is this one. This goes the blouse piece. So this is how the blouse goes. So all these are hand block ajrak printed pure chanderi silk sarees. 2499. 2499 only. Coming towards the third color, again one of my favorite, abstract print, very lovely with ajrak border, I mean pallu. Look at this. Isn't this just very pretty, very beautiful? The pieces are simply very elegant, very beautiful. This goes the saree with ajrak pallu, with pure hand block print and pure fabric. This is the, now who wears this on regular basis, I'm sure they must make out how much reasonable price these are, because people who wear these type of sarees, and especially the pure ones, they know the worth. They will obviously know like how good price you're getting at. See, this goes the pallu for this ajrak printed pallu. Very smart color, very lovely color. Just look how pretty that looks. So this is our fourth color, right? Yeah, this goes our fourth color. I'm always stuck with third and fourth. I don't know why. This is our fourth color. This goes the pallu for this. Very beautiful ajrak pallu, and this goes the blouse piece. 2499. Very lovely. And the fifth color is something very similar to the one I'm wearing. This goes the fifth color. Look at the print that is done on this. Just look at the detailing of the print. It is very attractive, very soft. Just look at this. I'll show you the pallu for this. Again, I'm so much loving these articles. They are so graceful. And I think all the saree lovers should have one with them at least. You know, people who carry this, have this collection is okay, but at least people who love sarees and you're looking to buy something in sarees, and one you should always carry, at least one, you know, because these are pure fabrics. These are very authentic, very classy. See, this goes the ajrak pallu for this. Very amazingly beautiful. Why am I showing you with so much patience these sarees? Because you're giving your money, you're giving your amount, you're trusting me sitting there at your place, and I want you to see every detailing of the saree, because it is worth watching. These sarees are something worth watching, worth buying, and every detailing of the saree is so beautiful, graceful. This goes the blouse piece for this. This is in pure Chanderi hand ajrak hand block printed sarees in pure Chanderi fabric. So this goes again our last color, 2499. 2499. Anybody wants can place your orders, and also the one I'm wearing, which is quite classy. You can see how beautiful this is with a lovely pallu. Amazing, just amazing. 2499. Place your orders on the number given in the description. We'll be back with much more such collection. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to enjoy such videos on regular basis. Take care guys, have fun, stay safe, bye.